Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video I will show you how to restore previous versions in Windows 10 so you can safely go back if something is not working properly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you can access all apps, settings and power options. Step 2. Click on the Settings gear icon, which opens the Windows Settings window, where you can control system features, personalization, devices, and important options needed to manage your computer. Step 3. Click on Update and Security. This section contains Windows Update, backup options, troubleshooting tools, and recovery features. Step 4. Click on Recovery from the left sidebar. This area provides options to reset your PC, go back to a previous version, or start Advanced Startup. Step 5. Click on Get Started under Go. Back to the previous version of Windows 10. This option allows you to restore your system to an earlier build if a recent update caused issues or instability. Step 6. Select your reason and click. Next, Windows asks for feedback to understand why you are reverting, and choosing a reason helps continue the restoration process smoothly. Step 7. Click Next to confirm and start the restore process. Your computer will restart and automatically return to the previous version, so make sure your device stays powered on during the process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.